Well, it's Friday the 9th of October. As you can see by the sign there, we've docked in Tenerife. I've just been for a walk through the town. Lots of little side streets, lots of little shops. Not a lot to see other than shops. So I've come back to the ship where Maggie is waiting for me. This is a big German ship that always seems to be here when we come here. Very nice, very big. It's so hot today, good lord, I could do with a nice cup of tea now. There's our ship docked behind it, the Azura. This is the first time I've gone ashore on this cruise. When we was in Madeira, we was there for a day and a half, and we know it's very hilly, so Maggie wouldn't attempt to get off there, so I stayed on board with her. As you can see, it's a big ship. I could have caught the free shuttle bus, but otherwise it's a 10-15 minute walk into the town, and I wanted to stretch my legs, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. You can see lots of people walking.